Sentry, no! He escaped. Alright. Alright, everything in order. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, everything's enabled. Alright, let's go enable you. Go and disable the peoples. Alright. Hi, Saanbi! What's up? Okay, got all that. Alright, vertical chat is working again. Let me go enable it. Found out what went wrong. So apparently in the code, the ordering of the code was that it would try to reference the disabled horizontal text when it was running through the startup process, and then whenever it hit that line, it couldn't find it because Unity, it's weird. So in Unity, you can create a reference to an object that's disabled, but only if the object is enabled. So you have to have the reference already in place, because once it's like disabled, it's not deleted, it's there, but like you can't reference it. It's weird. But that broke all the code. So like as soon as it hit that line of code, it exited out of that like statement. But the program kept running, which is why our sounds were broken whenever we were on vertical chat. On one hand, I understand. I kind of get it, but I don't understand why it like ejected out of all of the code. It did a weird. Alright. Hope you're doing well today, Saanbi. I'm just rambling. I'm just rambling. Let's see if I can get a visual. Maybe that will help. Alright, and reload. Boop. Hi, Civic. Here we go. Okay, now we're back at vertical, and excellent, and excellent. That's right, literal bananas for scale. Hi, Snow. Good luck with the work, Civic. It's a bit more messed up than you. Yeah, same actually. Like, I think I'm on like at least 3 hours sleep debt. There's no way I was getting back to sleep. I'm like, well, the Nana Dragon. He comes for nanas. This file. Hey, that one. Alright, so yesterday, the reason the vertical chat wasn't having sound quality, or it wouldn't have like any of the VFX or any of the, everything broke basically. And the reason for that is because of this. So what happened was we would run into a reload all statement. So whenever we either loaded up the program or type !reload, we'd reload the global variables, and that worked. And then we get to chat parser reload, and over here in chat parser reload, pretty sure it's up. Yeah. Alright. Some of these are organized better than others. I have like some that are like, oh, public statements first, and others I'm just like, hey, we're getting there. So this worked, and this worked. Adjusting the font size worked, and setting the horizontal top. But then it got to like here, the top horizontal check. Whenever it got to there, came down to this line, it was like, okay, this is the new code.
As Grassy forgets, he is not trying to play Magic the Gathering and create infinite looping combos.
I was trying,
Love.
Chad. Hi, Chad. So, this is the new code to fix the problem. And then this here. This right here is where, well, actually, like this more in particular, because it's trying to reference something that was null, and then that just like ejected out of the program, which caused all of these to not load. Like everything here didn't happen. Which is why the chat was still functional, but the counter wasn't working, the sound effects weren't working, the visual effects weren't working. So yeah, no, that's what happened. That's what happened. Because it was like, okay, it would disable, it would set. Where are we at? Right here. It would set this to false. And if it's set to false, Unity just can't find it. This right here, this doesn't work. Now, if you already have a reference to it, like here, like if this were a public variable at the top and we found it earlier and we just left that there, then it'd work okay. Because it knows, okay, that does exist, and here's where it is. but once something's set to active disabled, active false, it still exists in the hierarchy. Like it's there. You can physically see it in Unity, but like Unity just pretends like it doesn't exist anymore in Unity. It's really weird. So you have to like find it first, make sure you got it set, but I just added the code to exit out of this early. I'm like, fuck it. Alright, we'll deal with that later. I found that weird. That's just how Unity is. It's just that's how it is. If I had to guess, I think I have a better understanding of why things take so fucking long to load. We're gonna make sure all those references are set, or else they're just gone forever. The bull checks hurt you? Wait, why? Why do they hurt you, Chad? What's wrong with them? If equal true. What's wrong? Wait, what's wrong? It has to be double equal. Oh, okay. Yeah. So like, all right. So you're saying like if. All right, let me share you. A chat underscore horizontal. Okay, so like if okay, and that's true. And then I'm guessing if I were to do that, that's probably false. Yeah, okay. Or yeah, okay. I did this because I have a small brain. I found out about this method and then I was like, wow, that's a lot easier to like type. And then I was like, whoa, hold on. We're not big enough brain for that yet. Because this I could tell at a glance. This I feel like I'm fuck up.
Increasingly obvious. I can deny it no longer.
My brain is
small.
Alright, don't save.
Oh hey, that's a dragon.
It is! With banana for scales.
Dragon what?
Banana dragon? Oh no, Snells, yours also messed up? Oh no. Couple weird days of being
These nuts
exhausted.
was such a
Those
treat.
days suck.
That sounded weird. That's her name.
Okay, the reason it's weird is that is true false, so comparing true to true then true. Okay, I understand. So we're doing a little bit more. Okay. Okay, that's another computation. Alright, so it's actually more performant to just do the I got you now. Alright, well, I'll start working on that then. That sounds good. Probably carry over from an old language I used to work in. Because it's like, I do remember that's how it was like actually taught. On top of that, but no, that makes sense. So like, we're running a separate conditional, like we're running a statement, and then that statement isn't necessary because like it's just more performant to do it the other way. I get that. Yeah, right. Right. I found this like forever ago. It was during the like everyone was doing the banana for scales or banana for scale reference on Reddit. And then the banana for scales dragon popped up. I don't have the original artist, sadly. I only have like the saved image. Wait, Rose made me see something else. Are you using the same bool as a check for false, and then using it again if it's true, then also doing something with it if it's false? Alright, let me go check.
A wild metang appears.
Okay, the only reason you want to use a Boolean check is when the value is not inherently Boolean, you want to make a strict check. Variable equal true. Okay, I'm not familiar with 3 equal.
Hello.
But I have to look into what that is. Hi, Hercula! Hi, Centropy! Triple strict check. Alright, I feel like I learned that, but I haven't used it in forever, so I've forgotten what it is. Strict check. Whether its 2 operands are equal. Turning the Boolean result. Okay, I got you. Okay. So it's like a return. Got it. Boolean shit, yeah, okay. Don't want it to typecast, and you should write code or straight check. So you're dealing with values can't reliably cast. Alright, that makes sense. Did make a sense. Alright, Chad, what were you want to look at? Was it here? It's probably here. You probably like saw this and then this is a separate variable. Same var for everything. Yeah. No, I added the top command because it was like it's like a sub command of that. Made it easier to read in like the text file. Here's my ever so beautiful non-UI. Eventually we'll make UI, but this was just infinitely faster for me right now. Sir, that is a tech doc. You're darn right. This could be a .config, but fuck him. Oh, I guess that's true. Yeah, I guess that's true. Yeah, that's something you can't do if it's like there. Big true. Yeah, I got it writing here, so now like whenever I add like new settings to here, they'll pop up after like the first load. So the first time that you load it, it'll eat in all the it'll read all the variables, and then whenever you click reload or you exit the program, it'll write any new default data to this. So it won't fuck with anything that's already in here. So if it like finds something, it'll just write that back. But then if there's like new variables, it'll just add it to the file, and you can like edit them from there. Oh, but I couldn't find a way. Reason there's not UIs. Hot dog. Reason there's not UI is because the UI I have to do like more checks. So I have to like validate the data that's being entered in the UI and then send that to a variable, and it's not like easy to just link that up. I'm thinking what I need to do is I need to do like a set get, like a default set and get for the variables, and that'd probably like help a ton for translating that to UI, but we're not there yet. We'll get there eventually. I'll figure out a solution. Because what I want to do is I just want to be like, all right, this UI element is tied to this variable. But you can't really do that. You have to like write your own methods. And then you need to validate the data for those because, you know, there's going to be user error. I'm going to try and hit a B inside of something that only takes int values. And we need to stop me from doing that. JSON file over text. Okay, I can see that. I could definitely see that. I do need to get probably just like something to more easily deal with all this. Yeah, you like my banana for scale dragon? I found him on the internet. Let me double check. Can Unity parse JSON natively?
I like it. It's quite bananas.
I did not make this. The internet made this. I did not make this. Okay, that article looks useful. Alright, link that for later. Boop. Alright, that's for later me. If I remember right. CSVs. Comma separated values. Unity can't natively accept CSVs. So you gotta go hunt down something that can. I was like, fuck! Hopefully I can do JSON natively. If not, I gotta go find something. Okay, you work with PHP, which does cast off unless you tell it no.
Also new League season for Netflix, super hype.
Yes! No, the Arcane? Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so good. You want commas in what you're storing? Yeah. Yeah. No, you're right. You're not wrong. Ran into that with, what was it? With our TTS document. If you go over there, you'll notice that there is there is one voice that has a comma in it. And that fucked with that whenever I was putting it into the Google Doc sheet. So I had to change what my comma separated value was.
Gross.
Alright, fair. You want to act about banana for skill dragon? I sent about stuff. Thanks for 47 mods. Ah! And hopefully you got. I know it's been a few days. It's been a hot minute since then, but hopefully you got your calendar like locked down. Hopefully they didn't like report it and all that stuff. I know Rose had like a hell of a time whenever her account got dunked on. No big deal. Okay, cool. Yeah, Rose's account, they completely locked it down. It's like, yeah, I'm having issues getting into my account. And then they were like, whoa, boop, 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 boop. And then they shut it down. They were like, no access. It was like, fuck. Although I think that was Discord. I don't think it was Steam. Was it Steam? It wasn't Steam, was it? I can't remember. I think it was Discord. Yeah, it was okay. It was the Discord one in that case. Yeah, you know, it's really no big deal. I just need to take care of it. Whoa! Then you implement escape code. Then you might as well use something other than CSV. No, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. Okay, it was a thing where they enabled another device as an authorized one for Steam, and no passwords or authentication was like, okay, so basically they stole your cookie. They yoinked your cookie. Well, not even that. They just authorized a device. Alright. That's good then. Yes, the Brotherhood of Steel for backup. They took their sweet time to deal with it, nuclear style. So you're sitting there enjoying the glow, sipping in some drinks. And the Brotherhood shows up and goes, "This area is now under Brotherhood control." We're securing the area. No, the situation's dealt with. It's all good. No, we're good. I figured it out. Negative. We will protect you, citizen. Evacuate the area. There's a 2-day mandatory search of the area. Alright. I've goofed off enough. Alright. Hate me not. Alright, let me go change our game. Hate me not. Alright, this came at the developer request, and you know me, I like taking developer requests. I'm in.